Sorry about that. I got interrupted by a group of teenagers who were looking for some food. The next thing that I wanted to talk about was carpet cleaning and how different methods of carpet cleaning works. So the first one that I want to talk about is hot water extraction. Hot water extraction is where they spray hot water and chemicals onto the carpet, and then those are vacuumed back off. That's the most typical way that people clean their carpets. They sell Rug Doctor machines or rent them at the grocery store. People use it to clean their homes. But you can also have professional ones as well as professional companies who come in and do that sort of thing for you. Everybody's seen the way that works. It does leave the carpet kind of wet, so you can't put furniture on it. Like what was the word? Fixtures people said that you have to seal the bottom of your furniture or make sure that you just don't put furniture on top of wet carpet. The second one that I want to talk about is foam. Basically, it's the same as hot water extraction, except for the chemical that's used is a foam type of chemical. The only problem with that sort of carpet cleaning is that the foam you have to go then back over it with hot water extraction, because sometimes the chemicals that are used in the foam are toxic and can make people sick or your pet sick or that sort of thing. So you have to, if you're going to use the foam, you have to follow up with a hot water extraction. The third type of carpet cleaning is dry cleaning. Now, it's not actually dry. It's actually called VLM, which is very low moisture. Very low moisture treatment for your carpet is a powder that gets worked into your carpet. It encapsulates the dirt, and then it's vacuumed back up. It's really effective, but it's kind of messy and it's a lot of work because the dry stuff has to be worked down into the carpet so that it has an opportunity to encapsulate the dirt. That process is also used with a bonnet cleaner, which I mentioned earlier will void the warranty on your carpet. So there are processes that don't use a bonnet cleaner, but often they are. So make sure that you double check so that you're not voiding the warranty on your carpet, like I said earlier. So the last thing that I want to go over is the carpet versus hard floor debate. There are some places in your hotel or your establishment that you may not want to have carpet, or maybe you do. One of those places to think about is the cafe or the breakfast area. There's a lot of opportunity for spills and stains and that sort of thing. So a lot of places don't use carpet, but some do. My hotel has carpet in the cafe, and lots of them do. But it's harder to maintain, it's harder to keep clean, and it is harder to replace because that's an area that you use in your hotel every day. So it's definitely something to think about whether you want to have carpet installed in places like your cafe or your elevator. I destroyed a vacuum in an elevator trying to clean it once when someone pushed the button on the third floor while I was vacuuming. The door closed and away I went with a plugged-in vacuum. So there was a lot of sparks and me screaming for help, and it was embarrassing. And the vacuum doesn't work anymore. So those are things to think about. I know that there's a great debate on whether to have carpet in your elevator or not. It could be a noise reduction thing. Some elevators are really noisy. So it's really up to you or the designer of your hotel or your maintenance. Whomever makes the decision about carpets is going to make the decision. But having informed decisions is really important. So think about those things. And thank you so much for putting up with this video lecture on carpet. I hope that you learned a lot. If you have any questions, Chris will have answers for you, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have as well. So I will see you all next week. Have a great day, and yeah, thanks. Bye.